Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are working with hair from HOTBRAIDS to create this beautiful crochet install. As always, HOTBRAIDS always comes through with the best goodies, everything you'll need for your install. For this crochet install specifically, you receive a bag for storage, a hard bristle brush, a edge brush, as well as a rat tail comb, a crocheting needle, and 3 hair clips. This install was my first time ever working with a feather crochet kinky straight texture. I have one 20-inch bundle of HOTBRAIDS kinky straight texture. The hair straight out of the package was really full, really soft to the touch, no smell. I have minimal shedding, which I will show you guys at the end. If you're not familiar with feather crochet, that is when 2 pieces of hair are combined with a thread in between. Moving on to the foundation for this hairstyle, I did use a middle part sew-in traditional braid-down method, and I left the entire perimeter of my hair out so I'm able to pull this hair into a ponytail. This step is completely optional, but I decided to still show you guys because I did have a fresh wash and blow dry, so I just went in and oiled my scalp before going in and doing the first feather crochet. Here you see me feeling around just to make sure I do not stick the crochet needle into my perimeter braid. I am going to start showing you guys the method in the back of my head because I want to feel as much as possible in the back before I move on to the front. If you've watched my previous crochet hair installs with HOTBRAIDS or any other brands, the install method is not exactly the same because this hair's texture is straight instead of curly. With this kinky straight texture, you want to choose wisely where you're going to place each strand of hair. To achieve this install, you are going to insert an open crochet needle through your braid, place a piece of the feather crochet hair into the needle, close the needle, and pull that needle through the braid. Once the hair is through the braid, you are going to then tie a knot. Those steps are repeated in that exact order throughout your entire head. When installing the front crochet pieces, I did make sure to put the same amount of crochet on each side and each braid, just because this hair is kinky straight and I did not want one side to be fuller than the other. I would say the duration of this install took about an hour, and that is just only adding the crochet itself, not the braid down and the styling. But here's what we are looking like at the end of the install. I've added all 245 grams of the bundle, as well as you can see I've dyed the hair as well to match my hair color. It took really well to the color. I was so happy about that. Moving on, I am just now going to take out my perimeter braids to see if I left enough out firstly, as well as how well it blends with my natural hair. I did end up falling asleep that night after taking out my leave out, but this here is the next morning, and this is how it blends with my natural hair. Now we're just going to jump right into styling. I'm going to start with straightening my leave out in the back. I usually never opt to leave out hair in the back, but for this hairstyle I needed it. Now straightening the kinky straight hair, I do believe I went over each section that I pulled out 4 times with the flat iron. If not more, minimum it was 4. I did notice while straightening the hair, as well as when I washed the hair after dyeing it, the ends of the hair are very, very straight. It's like when you wash it, you will notice the difference. The root of the feather crochet are very kinky. Like, it was really hard to get the kinks out when using the straightener, but the bottom of the hair, the ends of the hair, become straight so easily, that is not a bad thing, because it makes it so much easier for this hair to blend with 4C hair, especially in the summertime dealing with humidity and the wind blowing. When your natural hair starts to revert, it will still be blended with the kinky hair. Even after dyeing and straightening the hair, it still had its natural shine as well as minimal shedding like I mentioned earlier. If I could do one thing differently, I would add another bundle, but the hair is still very full, flowy, soft to the touch after dyeing and straightening of the one bundle. After straightening and playing around with the hair a little bit, I did just go in and cut the ends just to make sure there was no stragglies at the end and everything was nice and even. This is pretty much the finished product here. Later on after filming, I did go in and add some face framing layers and some barrel curls. I myself am impressed with this feather crochet kinky straight hair from HOTBRAIDS. It has a natural shine that did not disappear after my hair dye. It's very soft and full. If you guys are interested in this hair or any other hair from HOTBRAIDS, I will have a link in the description box for you, as well as a discount code. Feel free to let me know any of your thoughts down below.